Hello guys, welcome back to my another video. Today I'm gonna say the power of kindness story. Let's start. Once upon a time in a small village there lived a young girl named Sophia. Sophia was known for her kindness and compassion towards everyone she met. One rainy day, while walking home from school, Sophia saw an elderly woman struggling to carry her groceries without hesitation. Sophia rushed to help the woman, carrying her bags and walking her home. The woman, Mrs. Thompson, was touched by Sophia's kindness. She invited Sophia in for a warm cup of tea and shared her story. Mrs. Thompson had lost her husband recently and was struggling to cope. Sophia listened alternatively, offering words of comfort and support. As they parted ways, Mr. Thompson thanked Sophia, saying, "Your kindness has lifted my spirits. You have reminded me that there is still goodness in this world." From that day on, Sophia and Thompson became a close friends. Sophia visited her regularly, listening to her stories and helping with chores. As news of Sophia's kindness spread, others in the village began to follow her example. They started a small acts of kindness, helping neighbors, strangers, and friends. The village transformed into a community filled with love, compassion, and understanding. Moral: one small act of kindness can create a ripple effect, inspiring others to spread love and compassion. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel.